Get the thing.
That was a
He broke off.
fuck. That was a good one.
Up with that. Do I really need to reel behind the
Dude.
camera around or what?
Give me your face.
Do that when I'm just shooting across. Oh my god. Alright, tournament day. Me and Nighthawk. Ready to shut it down.
I'm not even moving it. Still don't. So the juice is somewhere else though?
Fighting like a motherfucker. They were fighting so hard the other day, too.
Tiny guy?
Like throwing it back.
Good one?
Look at I hooked him on the outside and the eyeball. That's why I feel so heavy. Fish number 2. Another little one. Smaller than the first one. Not even a pound. On the jig.
Yeah.
Oh my dude, I just broke. Dude, that's one good fish, dude. God damn it.
Look at his cross-eyedness. Oh, shit, I hooked him. I was like, sorry, buddy.
Not the one with the worm in his mouth.
Nobody's got some fucking sore on the top of his mouth like it's been hooked before. Did you put, is this number 3? Is this number 3?
4.
Got 2 on leak. Dude, I gotta catch up with him. Dude, look at that. Inhaled the thing. He was little guy, too little. I'm over him. He's 13 inches, but we're gonna catch another one.
It's alright, I don't want that to go overboard. It's only about $800 right there. I was getting snagged and then I'd catch one.
I haven't snagged on her off.
Large amount.
How long this fish is.
Long for a large amount.
Yeah. Cool, we're killing it. 6 pounds.
Good, my fingers are not working. It's fucking cold. Can't grab this fucking line.
Oh, fuck, that was a fish. That was a good one, kinda.
Sounded like a good one.
I stopped it and I was like, what the f? I'm dragging like a f***ing log. It wasn't pulling back, it was just dead stop. I don't know if that was a good one or not.
Sounded like one.
Huh? Yeah.
The flop sounded like a good one.
He jumped.
Oh God! Finally, dude. I feel like my buddy right now. Hey, you tying that, man? Oh, I've only seen it 900 times. 1, 2, 3. This is like what time we got here at that day. One bit it reeling up. Oh, right there at the surface. What the? He was like literally on the surface. He bit it like an inch off the surface. Like pretty much right here where we're at.
Right, John. Stay down, stay down.
Oh, I got one on now off the snag.
Every time.
Dude, I'm telling you.
He loves
They're
the snag.
sitting in like a hole right there. Same thing that happened the other day. I think this one's bigger than that one. You can probably toss that one over. Yeah, throw that one over.
Oh, shit. That was a f***ing thunk. What was that about? He did not even take it.
Yep, that's what they keep doing to me. They slam it and spit it out.
He just went thunk, and then that was it. I was like about to set the hook, and he was just gone.
Like half of my bites today.
Yeah, that's what he did. He took the tip of my...
Grabbed it and ripped it off.
Yeah.
Hit the tip and swam off.
Just the tip. Dig.
Nailed it. And that's probably him right there.
You bet.
Thought it was a fish, but it was a tree probably.
It's on Realtor, and it was like... There's one.
Yeah, there's
No, it was a fish. Good one. Hard. It was kind of sideways. Oh, fucking sideways. Little guy. Hey, Rig.
Yeah, it looks like some barf. He's probably pissed. Huh? It does look like barf. He probably did puke right there or something. Hung over. Or some shit. I don't know what the f is wrong. Dip your shit in it, dude.
I was going to, and I was like, wait, that looks like puke.
Get some flavor on there.
That's that DC. Just kidding. It's just old reel.
What's that? No oil reel.
Yeah, no, I gave it some love. Just had this reel for fucking 20 years. Still going.
I didn't really care either way, but I figured it'd be easier for us to find some fish. Jesus.
Oh, an ass.
Did it beat anything?
I don't think so, but I was trying to get the scale to work. 1, 1, 2. Nope.
Like I think 1, 2, 6 is the smallest or something like that. Jig number 2.
I think number 3.
Oh, I meant you lost number 2.
Yeah. Whatever, I got a bunch. Here's the Andy Van Dam custom skirt, custom made.
The Nighthawk special or what?
Hell yeah.
There's a group of them right between us and that rock.
Right there?
Yeah.
Good one. Good one. Ooh, rods. Oh, it came right out. Good. Look at them all tangled in your rod. I was like I was gonna bout the both of them, but your rod fell on me. I was like, what the f? Bruh. Ooh, rods.
Just a few?
On the jig, here goes another trailer.
There's fish all the way down this wall too. We'll just fish it this way, in and out, and down that bank until we get to the Christmas tree cove.
Where is it?
Christmas tree cove right there.
Well, I guess I missed it.
Kind of like makes a little bead. That's a good one. Largemouth. Oh, this is largemouth city right
No,
here.
this, no, this ain't. He ain't cutting the bag.
Really? It looks like a bigger one in the water.
He shrank.
In the water, it looks like a good one.
Should have been a good one the way I caught him. He's 108. He's a fucking dink. He's an asshole. Where's he going?
Keep you down.
Rock. Oh, sorry, bud.
Little guy.
That was a
He broke off.
fuck. That was a good one.
See if I can get your
Dude.
Yeah, I think you're right on the tree right there, little one. Little largemouth. Telling you there was like only largemouth in this cove. It's like, where's the fuck? I know there's a big one in here somewhere. And it broke off. I just got bit in the 2-pounder zone.
Yeah. You say your rod looks like you got one.
Small one. Little crowded. Don't mind me. I wouldn't want to get eaten by a 6-pounder in ya. Little crowded over here. Don't step on the $600 rod. I stepped on it and bent one of my guides flat on it. I was so pissed.
Oh, damn it.
What are you doing?
I didn't step on it. I didn't step on it.
Like, it's crazy. Listen at the rules.
Little guy though. Come on now. There's the fish.
Holy bull. Good one.
Decent one.
With the boat, called it. Oh my god, it came off. What is up with that? Man, do I really need to reel down and
Dude.
camera on or what?
Give me your face.
I just lost one that felt like it was good too, dude.
It's on that log. I said he's either I'm gonna get snagged or I'm gonna get a fish, and you said both, and I did get both.
Miss Cleo strikes again.
She felt it. What do we got? We got a 147, 167, 163, 147, and a 149.
Just a 6-pounder is all we need.
All right then. I'd definitely rather split some shallow rock.
Oh. There we go. Jig master here.
Crazy that they're eating that jig so much, dude. I can't believe
I know, me neither, and I like it. I love it.
Oh my god, dude. What is happening?
I've taken your mojo.
Dude. Literally getting fucking bit like every other cast, but I can't hook up on him. Look at you, rip my tail off again.
Oh.
Does it pass the barb?
Oh, almost.
I've done that so many times.
That hurts. Dude, that thing was, oh, it was like just past the barb and it just wouldn't go in. Luckily, I thought it was for a second.
Oh!
You gotta let him eat it, dude. You gotta let him eat it.
I did. Whoop, whoop. Came back for it.
Oh, no, he didn't.
God damn. Come back for it. One more time. 3 times.
You only get one shot, dude.
He just gave me 2. There he is again. There he is.
It's gonna be 4 inches. Yep.
I got you, mother.
Like, I don't even bother when I feel him biting like that.
More from my mental.
Just to show him his boss.
Yeah, pretty much.
Another one, dude. Crushing these jig fish. Come here, motherfucker. Whatever, I'm having a good day now.
I'm having fun.
That's all that matters, man. I'll give you a participation trophy.
Here's another
When you
one.
get home, you can get some ice cream. You did a great job.
Thanks.
Oh, guy.
Yeah.
Dink.
Good. That sounds like a good one.
Yeah.
Where I hooked him sideways. That doesn't look amazing, but
Jesus. Big dick. Good fuck. God damn it.
time to where we should have moved way earlier.
Put on your trailer. Going? Digging?
No.
Shaking. Ooh.
Sore mouth.
Did you catch him last time? Oh! Oh, jump. There you go. We're basically out of time.
Do that when I'm just shooting across. Oh my god. Killed the battery. That sucks.
You got the jump?
Yeah.
Yeah, should probably go then.
That's weird. The battery seemed fine on the last run. Wait a second.
12 seconds later.
It says it's good to go. But...
Here.
Please. Alright, good. Did you feel something fall? good now, and we ran down the lake.
Yeah,
I just need to remember to unplug that light next time. A couple of 3-pounders and we'd be in there. Here's our haul. Not too shabby, but we weren't definitely not in the money.
largemouth. That's that long ass largemouth.
Yeah, that's usually larges aren't long, dude.
I know, that thing's all long.
That's usually why they don't got no weight to them, because they're usually bigger. They're usually way bigger than the spots, but they don't have no length to them.
Not terrible. We probably would have had at least 8.5 pounds on there. So.
Yeah. It looks like a decent bag. I'm telling you, every practice I had bigger bags. Both tournaments was like, except for one day